In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the ChatGPT o3-Mini API key. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're building an app, experimenting with an automation, or just looking to connect OpenAI with another tool, you've come to the right place. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps in bringing more content like this to you. Alright, let's get started. First, grab your device and open your favorite web browser. We need to navigate to the OpenAI organization settings page. This page is where you can manage all your OpenAI API settings and tools for your organization and projects. Once you're on the OpenAI dashboard, look for the section specifically related to API keys. This is critical because OpenAI provides this feature for you to create and manage the secret keys that are essential for your projects. After you find it, go ahead and click on API Keys. This is going to take you to a section of the dashboard dedicated to key management, where you'll be able to generate a new key. If you already have existing keys, they'll be displayed here as well. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on creating a fresh one specifically for the o3-Mini. So let's click on the Create New Secret Key button. That moment is where the key generation process begins. A small setup window or a form may appear, and this is where we'll prepare the key information before it's officially created. At this stage, it's really important to give your new key a descriptive name. You might want to call it something like o3-Mini API key or YouTube tutorial key. The key point is to choose a name that will help you easily identify it later on. This becomes especially vital if you anticipate creating multiple keys for different applications, projects, or environments in the future. Once you've named your key appropriately, it's time to click the Create Secret Key button to complete the generation process. OpenAI will now work on creating your new API key. Here's a crucial part. Once the key is generated, it will appear on the screen, but you'll only see it this one time. This means that you need to be prepared to copy it right away. The moment your new key appears, make sure to hit that copy button. It's as simple as that. Your ChatGPT o3-Mini API key is now copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you need it, in your app, a coding project, or integration. But here's my advice. Always store your API key somewhere secure. Remember, API keys are sensitive and should never be shared openly or placed in unsafe locations, as this could potentially lead to unauthorized access to your services. And there you have it. You've successfully created and copied your ChatGPT o3-Mini API key from OpenAI. If you found this video helpful and it saved you time, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe. I regularly post easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, so stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions about what you'd like to learn next, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy coding, and see you soon.